Hey guys, today I'll be making lamb ribs in my Instant Pot, so let's get started. So what we'll be using today is about 1 rack of lamb ribs, your favorite barbecue sauce, a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. First I'll be mixing all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to brush the mixture on the ribs. Then I'm going to add the apple cider vinegar into the Instant Pot. I'm also going to place the ribs inside. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of water. Cover the Instant Pot and make sure that the vent is on sealing. Set the Instant Pot on manual and the timer to 20 minutes. Once the timer is up, give it a natural release. Make sure the pin has dropped and then open the lid. Now I will place the ribs in a pan. Then I'm going to brush it with some more of the mixture. Finally, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes to broil. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.